Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue to talk about the vulnerable DeFi. We are going to talk about challenge 10 free rider. In this challenge, we have 6 NFT that we put in the market to sell. And then your job is use only 0.1 Ethereum to steal these 6 NFT. Of course, in the market, each NFT is selling at 50 Ethereum. So you really don't get too much to get started because 0.1 Ethereum, you cannot even buy one. So somehow you have to figure out how where you're going to get the money. So let's look at the contract. There are 2 contracts. The first one is the marketplace in which you're able to, first of all, deploy the contract and then able to mint 6 NFT using SafeMint. Second, you are able to give the offer for these 6 NFT by calling offer money, and of course you have to be the owner of the NFT. There are 2 checks over here. Number one, we are checking how many NFT you are selling, not equal to 0. Secondly, we make sure these 2 array have the same length. So let's check it over here. And then use a for loop to iterate through each token ID and then set price for each token ID over here. In this case, we set all of them to be the same price, 15 Ethereum per NFT. And then here's the function that set price for each NFT. We check the price not equal to 0. We also check the caller is the owner. And then we check the contract. This market contract is the operator, either in terms of get approved just for this token ID in particular, or is used is approved for all, which means you are the operator for MSG or sender for everything. We set a price over here, and then assembly line 73 is essentially just increase this by 1. It's a fancy way, saving way using assembly. And then after that, you can buy in the same way, iterate through array over here. You can buy multiple NFT, which is going to call by 1. So by 1 is going to buy 1 NFT. So you check the price, it's not equal to 0. Check you have sufficient money to buy. Unfortunately, they only check for 1 item. So here's the bug. You only check you have enough money to buy 1 item. You should have checked you have enough money to buy 6 of them. So that's the issue here. And then this is going to transfer the NFT to the new owner, the caller, and then send the Ethereum to the previous owner. But wait a minute, this is not the previous owner anymore. This is the owner of the new owner because we just transferred this. So it's not cached. So that's actually we need to cache this called old owner somewhere before we do the transfer. So this is another bug right here. All right. So after you suppose you get all these 6 NFT, then you are able to send your 6 NFT to this contract. This contract have a callback function, which is able to give you the price if you send the last 6 NFT right here. And there's a few other checks above this, basically not so important. So how do you do it? Well, first of all, you need to look at the complete challenge. You notice there's actually Uniswap over here. So why do we need Uniswap? Because you need to borrow money from the Uniswap router, 50 Ethereum. So you can use that to buy the 6 NFT. There's an article, if you search Google, free then novel free rider, you have a meeting article over here, tells you all the steps. And one of the most important steps, I believe, is you need to call Uniswap to have a flash loan of, so that's the first step. Create a smart contract that will ask a flash loan from Uniswap for 50 Ethereum, and then you can use that to buy the 6 NFT. And then after you get a price, you can repay the loan in Uniswap because you already get a price. So you can take 50 Ethereum to pay back the loan plus the 0.3 flash loan fee. All right. So that's very much how we are able to solve this challenge thing. Hope you are going to have good luck to solve this problem. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.